नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedars, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, and two-way video conferencing. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing. Rajapalayam, Kalahasti, Tirukailayam, Seattle, Los Angeles, Hong Kong, Jorpati, Nepal, Dubai, Chennai Adinam, Los Angeles, Netherlands, Guadeloupe, China, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Tallahassee, Florida, Colombo, Paris, St. Louis, Hyderabad, San Jose, Ohio, Dakota Dunes, Oman, Thiruvannamalai, and some more cities. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today is third day of Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsava. Today we have 1008 Sankabhishekam to Nityanandeshwara Swayambhulinga, Swayambhu Nityanandeshwara for him. We will be having 1008 Sankabhishekam at evening. Mahadeva and Devi are gracing with a special crown called Simmad Kridam. When he came down to assist Vandi in building the Vaigai Dam, Vaigai embankment, not dam, embankment, the way he was wearing the cloth on the head to carry the mud, that is Simmad Kridam. He is wearing Simmad Kridam and Devi is wearing the pearl crown. Crown made out of pearls. Let's receive their blessings first. I'll expand today difference between subjective truth and my world. Listen. Whatever happens in the world, if you form opinions, analyze with your incompletions, the byproduct is my world. My world also happens inside you. Subjective truth also happens inside you. You need to know the difference. This difference will solve thousands of questions people have about their behavior and enlightened master's behavior. Now they think, many times how I think, like that only Swamiji also thinks. Why what I think is wrong and what he thinks is right? Understand, my world is from the context of incompletions. Because of your incompletions, the reality, perception, all these changes. But subjective truth is from the context of initiation from the master. See, what you think as you, inner image, mamakara, and how you project yourself to others, ahankara. These are all my world. It is based on your incompletions. But the Shivoham is given to you as a truth, as an initiation from your master. That is not dependent on your incompletions. It is from the initiation. The ultimate truth, ultimate reality transmitted to you based on the initiation is Shivoham. Ultimate truth transmitted to you based on the initiations, Shivoham, is subjective truth. I'll repeat now. Listen, catch it carefully. The ideas you develop, the concepts you develop, the cognition you develop based on your incompletions is concepts you develop, the ideas you develop based on your incompletions is my world. But the cognition you develop by the initiation from the master, Shivoham, which is based on complete completion, is subjective truth. What starts happening in you due to incompletion and changes, destroys you and your life outside is my world. What starts in you because of initiation and elevates your life internally and externally is subjective truth. I'll define subjective truth. Subjective truth is ultimate truth, which is truth even when you are not able to grasp, even when you are not able to perceive, even when you are not able to receive, but you start working on it like a seed. How the sand works on the seed, the land works on the seed, and the seed becomes tree. The initiation is given to you is like a seed. You work with that constantly, and the seed becomes tree. The seed becomes tree. Understand? Subjective truth, the more and more you nurture, cherish, strengthens you. My world, the more and more you nurture it, weakens you. Subjective truths create your reality. Incompletions moves you out of even the reality exists. Moving you out of even the shared reality is incompletions. Manifesting your ultimate reality is subjective truth. Subjective truth is manifesting your ultimate reality. Incompletions is the myth. But subjective truth is mythology. Understand? When I use the word mythology, Actually, it is too poor word because there's no other word in English I am using it. I should use the word Purana. Purana is subjective truth. All the Hindu scriptures are subjective truth. They are not born out of incompletions. They are subjective truths. They are subjective truths. Subjective truths and incompletions the difference between these two need to be thoroughly internalized by you. More and more you contemplate on incompletions, you will become weaker and weaker. The more and more you remember the subjective truth, you will become stronger and stronger. With incompletions, you will become weaker and weaker. With subjective truths, you will become stronger and stronger. Whatever weakens you by more remembrance is incompletion. Whatever strengthens you by more remembrance is subjective truth. Aham is incompletion. Shivoham is subjective truth. The more and more you remember the aham, it leads to incompletions. More and more you remember Shivoham, it leads to experience, strength. Cambodia is nothing but all about making you experience that Shivoham. That Shivoham. That Shivoham. Experience the subjective truth. The ultimate reality will be created for you, inside you, outside you. Shivoham. Let this become your life thread. Aham is a life thread. Shivoham is the life thread. The inner image out of incompletions is life thread. Shivoham should become the life thread. So I invite all of you to come to Cambodia to experience that Shivoham. That Shivoham. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.